In today's fast-paced world, finding the time and inspiration to prepare a quick, healthy lunch for work or school can be a challenge. However, a nutritious midday meal is essential for sustained energy, concentration, and overall well-being. In this video, we will explore a variety of creative, convenient, and nutritious lunch ideas that you can easily incorporate into your work or school routine. The importance of a healthy lunch. Before we delve into specific lunch ideas, it's crucial to emphasize the significance of a healthy lunch. A well-balanced lunch provides essential nutrients, stabilizes blood sugar levels, and supports both physical and mental performance. It is a vital component of maintaining good health and productivity. Quick and healthy lunch ideas. Mason jar salads. Prepare your favorite salad ingredients in layers in a mason jar, starting with dressing at the bottom and greens at the top. When you're ready to eat, simply shake it up to mix the ingredients and enjoy a fresh, crisp salad. Wrap and roll. Whole grain wraps or tortillas make a perfect canvas for a variety of fillings. Try lean protein sources like grilled chicken or tofu, add plenty of veggies, and top with a tasty sauce. Roll it up, and you have a portable and satisfying lunch. Bento boxes. Bento boxes allow you to create a balanced and visually appealing lunch. Fill the compartments with grains, such as brown rice or quinoa, lean proteins, like boiled eggs or edamame, and a selection of colorful vegetables and fruits. Soup and sides. A hearty and nutritious soup can be a quick and comforting option. Pair it with a side salad or whole grain bread for a well-rounded meal. Soup can be made in advance and reheated for convenience. Leftovers remix. Instead of ordering takeout or relying on cafeteria options, repurpose last night's dinner into a fresh and exciting lunch. Leftover grilled chicken can become a chicken salad, and cooked vegetables can be added to a grain bowl. Overnight oats. Breakfast isn't the only meal where oats shine. Overnight oats are a quick and healthy option that can be prepared the night before. Add your favorite toppings, like fresh berries and nuts, for a nourishing and portable lunch. Homemade sushi rolls. Making sushi at home can be simpler than you think. Use nori sheets, rice, and your choice of fillings, such as avocado, cucumber, and cooked seafood or tofu. Slice into bite-sized rolls for a satisfying and unique lunch. Greek yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with fresh fruit, granola, and a drizzle of honey in a reusable container. It's a perfect balance of protein, fiber, and natural sweetness. Stir-fry in a snap. Prepare a quick stir-fry with lean protein, plenty of colorful vegetables, and a delicious sauce. Portion it out in containers for several days' worth of lunches, and enjoy reheated stir-fry at work or school. Quinoa salad bowls. Quinoa is a versatile grain that can serve as the base for a satisfying lunch. Combine it with roasted vegetables, chickpeas, feta cheese, and a lemon vinaigrette for a delicious and protein-packed salad. Balancing the demands of work or school with maintaining a healthy diet can be challenging, but it's far from impossible. These quick and healthy lunch ideas are not only convenient but also delicious and packed with essential nutrients. With a little planning and creativity, you can transform your midday meal into a source of nourishment and delight, contributing to your overall health and well-being. Remember, a healthy lunch is an investment in your productivity and a key ingredient in leading a more fulfilling and energized life.